Good Friday, everyone. Our weather map shows an active weather day across the lower Mississippi River Valley. A severe weather outbreak is expected across portions of Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, possibly even extending into Alabama and, of course, on up into West Tennessee as well. So if you know anybody that lives in that area, just kind of give them a heads up and make sure they're paying attention to the weather today. Some of those storms could be quite intense. Some long track tornadoes are possible in that neck of the woods. A flash flood threat to the north of that zone, and then you see freezing rain and sleet farther north in the colder air across portions of Pennsylvania and New York State, stretching back into southern Michigan. And then another big powerful storm system coming into the west coast, bringing some very heavy mountain snows once again, as they've been so blessed with snow this season for sure. Looking at our 5-day forecast, we see just a 20% chance for a shower, maybe a thunderstorm isolated around the area as we get into the afternoon and evening. Those chances are best if you're up in Fentress County. Wind gusts to 30 miles per hour from the south, highs in the mid-70s. Tonight, a 90% chance of showers and thunderstorms, might as well say 100%. Some of those storms could be strong to severe, damaging straight-line winds, the main threat. Outside of storms, winds could gust out of the south at 40 miles per hour, lows only in the upper 50s. On Saturday, morning showers and then windy, 35 mile per hour wind gusts possible through the day, highs in the mid to upper 60s. Looking good Saturday night and Sunday, just a slight chance for a shower Sunday night. We may end up completely removing that. And then Monday and Tuesday looking good, highs in the 60s and lows in the 40s, with lows dipping down in the mid 30s. Tuesday night could have some patchy areas of frost. The main threat time frame tonight remains 1 to 3 a.m. Looks like the line will be approaching the plateau somewhere around the 2 a.m. time frame. We always have to broaden that window of threat, though, because the storm line could always speed up or slow down. So I'll keep you posted throughout the day on the progress of that line. Right now, flash flooding, hail, and tornado threats are low. The greatest risk is from straight line winds. I've got that at medium. So I'll monitor this throughout the day. This is a very volatile situation, especially for folks down around Louisiana and Arkansas. So we'll see how well those storms organize and how well they hold together as to the magnitude of what our threat will be in our neck of the woods. But right now, instability is looking like an issue. It's kind of lacking, but there are some things that could overcome that. So I want us to definitely all be weather aware tonight, just to be safe. And so you want to have your weather radio turned on. You want to download the Cumberland County EMA app, and that might even be useful for you all in Fentress County too. Have multiple ways to get warnings. Know where your safe place is. Lowest level, center of the building. If your bathtub is on the outer perimeter of your home, that's probably not the best place to be. You need to really focus on being in the center of the building with as many walls between you and the outside as possible. Secure any outdoor objects, because we're going to have gusty southerly winds even outside of storms. So you want to make sure all those objects are secure. Prepare for possible power outages. Anytime we have these windy days and nights, and especially when we have storms come through, we always have that risk for power outages. So be prepared just in case. And I have more severe weather safety tips at meteorologistsmart.com/severe weather safety. You can find that link on my website, meteorologistsmart.com. So I'll keep a close eye on things. It does look like we definitely have the potential for some damaging winds with this line. That has definitely been something that's kind of upticked here in the latest round of data. So I'll keep a close eye on things throughout the day, and I'll keep you posted. You just keep it right here to meteorologistsmart.com.